The new Yaris Ativ GR goes far beyond the ordinary car, becoming the embodiment of innovation and style. This car seems to be created for those who value comfort, safety and pleasure from every minute of the trip. But its main advantage is the unique ability to adapt to the driver's preferences, offering 3 driving modes: economical eco, standard normal and powerful power. Externally, the new Yaris Ativ GR stands out with its expressive aesthetics. A wide wheelbase and solid ground clearance give the car a confident look. Particular attention is drawn to the GR Sport version. Here, a new radiator grille with a GR emblem emphasizes the sporty character of the car, complemented by original elements of the aerodynamic package, such as front and rear skirts, stylish 17-inch wheels, and a black accent on the roof and side mirrors. The interior of the Yaris Ativ GR surprises with a combination of high-quality materials and thoughtfulness of details. The seats are covered with black artificial leather with neat embroidery of the GR logo, emphasizing the atmosphere of a sports cabin. Passengers will appreciate the benefits of a modern infotainment system with a bright 10.1-inch touchscreen display that supports convenient Apple CarPlay and Android Auto interfaces. The system is equipped with such useful functions as wireless charging of smartphones, climate control with ventilation for rear passengers, and a modern interior lighting complex with adjustment. Under the hood of the car is a modern 1.5-liter engine with 111 horsepower, combining high performance and impressive fuel efficiency. Thanks to the efficient operation of a hybrid transmission, equipped with a lithium-ion battery and a continuously variable ECVT automatic transmission, the car achieves fuel consumption of only about 29.4 kilometers per liter of gasoline. This makes the Yaris Ativ GR an excellent choice for both city trips and long-distance travel. Passenger safety is ensured by the latest technologies. The Toyota Safety Sense Complex includes a driver assistance system that monitors the lane, 6 airbags, an electronic stabilization system, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera. These technologies make every trip safe and comfortable. This is the ideal combination of dynamics, comfort, and reliability, created for lovers of an active lifestyle and connoisseurs of future technologies. This car will become a faithful companion at every motorist, providing freedom of movement and confidence on the road. New Toyota Yaris Ativ GR, harmony of passion and technology.